How to use Reels audio in Instagram Story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, head over to the Reel section. Now, go ahead and select the reel. Now, to use the audio of that reel, what you have to do is click on the music icon given at the bottom right. Now, you're going to get the option of use audio. Click on it. You will get the option to use the audio for the reel as well as post, but you won't find the option of story. So what you have to do is click on this icon, save. With that, you have just saved the audio of this reel. Now what you have to do is head back, go to the home page, click on the option your story. Now select the video or the picture that you want to upload in your story. Click on this music icon. Now here you're going to find the section of saved. Click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find the list of the audios that you have saved. Click on it. Clicking on this, you are able to select the clip duration. Likewise, select the template of the song. Click on done and upload it. So this way you are able to use Reels audio in Instagram story. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.